PUBG returns in India. Grab SSDs and HDDs now. The Insta Story that kills phones, GPU shortages, and more on tech news. Hello, guys, welcome back to the Finisher Tech. And today we are beginning a new series called Tech News, where we will discuss the latest and greatest in mobile and PC tech. But we will have a bit more focus on PC tech because I am a PC tech creator. And if you like this concept, please like the video and subscribe. Without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, let's begin with the hottest news on the internet, at least in India. That PUBG, also known as PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, is back but has been rebranded as Battlegrounds Mobile India on its Instagram handle, YouTube, and even the website has officially been rebranded. This Thursday or 6th May 2021, they released an official teaser which was 10 seconds long. On the day that I am writing this, Friday May 7th, the official logo has also come out. This is really big news in India as this game was the hottest game that everyone played and spent money on. This game, along with Jio, the network service, brought many new gamers from India and brought people to YouTube. This also spread the concept of esports in the country, and as someone who has played this game in its first months, I am really excited for the new release. When this teaser launched on YouTube, it was the number one on trending in India, and as of making this video, it still is. Now, what I will tell you are pure speculations as of recording this. Some are saying that this will be an entirely new game, while others say that this will be the same game with a few changes that have been requested by the Indian government. There are also privacy rumors, such as that parents can control the game for minors, people under 18, but I believe that they are just ways for people to gain views and increase the popularity of this game. Also, it is being said that pre-registrations of this game will be in May and the game might be launched in June. This is even said by one popular PUBG creator, Maxton. Let me repeat, these are not confirmed and might just be theories. And if you like theories, you can go and check out the Finisher Theorist and the new video, The Otaku Anime Killer, also known as the Human Dracula, Tsutomu Miyazaki. And while you're checking this channel, you can also check out the Finisher Gaming as well. You should also check out the Fortnite montage. In other news, all telecom providers have been given the green signal to start 5G trials, but unfortunately, the auctions will be in the first quarter of 2022. This means we will get it around May or June next year. If lucky, we can get it in the first quarter only because the infrastructure is already made in the trial period. And PS, this will be all in 6 GHz. In the tech world of Instagram, a guy by the name of Talal, who is a full stack designer, has come with a story that crashes iOS phones, iPhones, and old Android smartphones. Mr. Who's the Boss, a UK YouTuber, along with the university cybertech student Anand, uncovered how and why did a 14-year-old self-taught developer Talal do this. He did this because Facebook and Instagram are paying people to try and find mistakes in their website so that they can make it better. And Talal did this to earn money. This is funny how someone around my age would do this to a tech giant. Anyways, coming back to topic, PG Talal used Instagram stickers that were the quiz with random letters and a countdown to a random date in 2020 because you won't be able to see this because he made these enormous. Normal size elements are less than or equal to 1, so your phones can easily process them. But these values are many times the size of the earth if zoomed out of. So you can see purple on Android because the countdown is zoomed and a confetti for the ended timer of 2020. And these values can't be handled by iOS and old Android phones, so they crash. These aren't malicious, so you can check out his channel and the link will be in the description along with my Instagram handle. Please give that a follow as well. Moving on, in other smartphone news, the WhatsApp privacy policy agreement date is coming up on 15 May and it seems that the date may not be shifted further. It also seems that the Google Pixel 6 will have a custom chip like the M1 processor from Apple, and if that is true and these chips succeed, we can see even better Chromebooks in the future. Now moving on to PC and hardware news. News is coming from Advanced Micro Devices, also known as AMD for short. These are leaks and rumors regarding their next generation CPUs that will be based on the Zen 4 architecture. I'm not talking about the 5000 series, I'm talking about the ones that will come after this series. It is said that their code name is Raphael. Also, rumors are that they will have a 25% gain compared to their predecessors. Also, the clock speeds will be 5 GHz out of the box. This will be the first time because AMD will finally beat Intel in clock speeds as well. Rumors also suggest that we can have a higher core count, which is insane because I thought 16 cores was a lot. But no need to be too excited as you will get them at the end of 2022 if scalpers aren't a thing. Other news states that the launch of the 3070 Ti and 3080 Ti are delayed again from April to May and now June. It is being said that they will be announced on May 31st and released on the 2nd of June. Those of you who don't believe this here is photo evidence. If this was fake, it would have been said by the company, which this has been leaked from, which is MSI, and they haven't stated this image and this news as false. Now, about the Chia coins, these are a cryptocurrency that can be mined with storage devices such as SSDs and hard disks. They have been mined at a whopping exabyte till now in the world. 1 exabyte, for those of you who don't know, is 1 million terabytes or a billion gigabytes. And some Chinese companies are saying that they will make dedicated storage for Chia mining. But Galax has opposed this and said that if your SSD is damaged by mining, they will not fix it under warranty. It has also been shown by AData, a storage device company, that sales have rocketed by 5000% in just SSDs. Therefore, please buy storage devices now, otherwise the prices will shoot up exponentially like they did in the case of GPUs. Talking about GPUs, it is said that there are three possible outcomes regarding the GPU shortage. The first being that either this problem will not go away and people will buy graphics cards either by programs like the Verified Gamer program, which is hosted by EVGA and LTT, Linus Tech Tips, the third biggest YouTuber regarding tech. And the other way that people will obtain graphics cards will be by paying high prices and then they will start mining to earn back the money. Yes, I know this sounds insane because gamers hate mining, but believe me, this is the only way that they can earn their money back and not feel that they have wasted their money. Now coming to the second outcome, this is what many tech creators and I believe to be the actual outcome, is that there will be another crypto crash which will happen soon because when too many people mine, the value of the cryptocurrency starts depleting. This will lead people to stop mining. This will either be done because of the first one, because if too many people buy overpriced GPUs, they will mine to try to earn the money back. So either by that way, it will be possible for this crypto crash to happen, or the current miners coming will also crash the cryptocurrencies. And I believe that if many people believe this outcome to be true, you should wait it out and wait for the GPU prices to be lower. Now, the last situation. If everything else happens, there will be still a shortage because VRMs, heatsinks, and other components of making a GPU are expensive or unavailable. Because listen, without the heatsink, you can't have a GPU. Without the less CUDA cores, you can't have a GPU. Without VRMs, you can't have a GPU. So because of this, there will be a shortage still, and the prices will also be expensive and the unavailability will also be there. I personally, along with a lot of tech creators, believe that this will not be the future outcome, but the GPU shortage is because of this outcome. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please press that like button. Also subscribe if you would like to see future videos like this, and I will see you next time for The Finisher Tech.